Hi, Jessie here from RVDaily. Today, I'm trying out the new all-in-one RV clothesline from ReverseMate. I can already see that it packs up smaller than your traditional umbrella style Caravan clothesline or the, like the fold-up style, but that's not what I love about it. What I like is that you can install it either on the outside or the underside of your Caravan awning. Now the benefit of this is that if you install it on the underside of your Caravan awning, it means that the whole caravan park doesn't need to see what underwear you wore that week. How good is that? So let's take a look at what's in the box, how easy it is to install, and how it works. So let's see what we actually get in the box. 2 of these clothesline brackets. There's a left and a right. These, I'm sure they have a name. These, let's call them doohickeys. These little doohickeys that are connected to the, I don't know what they are. I'll work it out. This is the center support bracket for the clothesline wire. The clothesline wire. There's 15 meters of it, and it has a 165 kilogram breaking strain. Now, I don't know what you're hanging off your clothesline, but I am not hanging 165 kilograms off it. 4 of these little hand bolts. I should add, you don't need tools to install this Caravan clothesline, just these 4 hand bolts that come with it. And you can also get these optional tie down straps. Now that's just for added support for your awning while your clothes are on it. Okay, that's it. Let's see how easy it is to install. So my RV doesn't actually have a proper awning on it, but I'm installing this on my mum's 5th wheeler today, which doubles as a horse float, so it's pretty cool. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to start with the bracket that goes over the awning and the bit that the clothesline goes through. So it's really simple. I don't know how well you can see this, but it just slots on easy like this. So there's 2 sized bolts, and you're going, so you're going to want to use this longer one here. And it's, there we go. Okay, there's that part done. Okay, so let's install this clothesline. Do you see this little groove here that my thumb is on? Now, in your roller tube, you'll see a few different grooves. So my one has 1, 2, 3. Now, this little bit goes into, sorry about the wobbly camera, goes into one of these grooves, but we need to put it in the right groove so that when it's closed up, that this little doohickey here is pointing downwards. So we get our little groove, and I'm going to put it in that little slot, and then this will come around here. And then we'll just bolt this on. Now, bolting this on is righty-tighty, like normal. Oh, look at that. I can do it one-handed and everything. There we go. If you find that once you install it that this isn't hanging straight out, you can adjust this to any angle that you want your clothes to be hanging on. It's that simple. The reason we need this to be pointing down is that because for added support, like if you're hanging something heavy off your awning, that you will put a tent pole in here. Okay, so I'm actually installing these on the underside, so we've got a little bit of privacy. I've already put one on. It was pretty easy. So, sorry about the bumping. I'm trying to do this one-handed. See this little... Okay, that's gone on super easy. Now we've got to just get the actual clothesline on. So All you need to do now is run the wire through the clothesline itself. Now, I won't show you how I did it because things got a little bit sweary when I had to actually tie knots in the clothesline wire and do the tensioning. That is not my strong point. However, I got there, and the good news is that you only have to do it once, and the next time you want to use your clothesline, all you've got to do is clip it back onto your awning, which takes a whole 2 minutes. Now, this isn't the first time that an Aussie has revolutionised the way that we dry our clothes, but it is the first time in a long time that we've seen innovation in a Caravan clothesline, and I think it's just great. I would personally choose this Caravan clothesline over your traditional fold-up or umbrella style any day of the week. This is great.